silver na ano? Plain? Happy birthday na. Na ano?
Yan, good evening mga katumodachi. Andito tayo ngayon sa preparation sa debut ng anak ko at saka pamangkin ko no, si Sachi at saka si Natalie. So ito, preparation tayo ngayon para bukas na debut.
Ito lang kailangan mo na.
So ito yung venue natin guys, no? So meron tayong parang stage dito, oh. Kita niyo yung stage. Yan, very busy sila. Oh, ano mo naman kayo dyan, konti. Suki, so nagpe-prepare sila dito, no? And we have our guest, ano to, sino itong guest natin na singer? Si Yoshko, no? Classmate ni Natalie. So ito, nagpe-prepare and andito yung ano, parang kainan, no? So set ng kainan dito nilalagay. And very busy yung dalawa doon. Ayan, si
Kinsa! Wala na, nagutom ka na?
ayan, no? So, ganda yung venue, guys. So, nirect pala namin itong place na to for Nijumang, no? Nijumang is to? Ang place, nirect namin itong place na Nijumang, ha? Guys, Nijumang. So, more or less 80,000 pesos siya sa Philippine money, no? So, yan, dito. Ayan. Yan si Mami Cheche. Yan yung sa mga sweets. Ito yung sa cakes and mga... Ayan. So, we have this counter here. Cakes, ayan. So, yun lang. So, mamaya, kuna natin pag medyo marami-rami na yung malagay na decorations. And kain muna kami. Medyo gutom na, guys. Oh, guys, welcome back. Ito na, oh. So, medyo almost finished ng mga decoration na. So, kuna natin, i-update ko na naman kayo ulit simula kanina, no? Ano yung stage? So, almost, ano na siya, finished. So, ito na yung ano dito, may 18 gold and 18 silver. So, yan. And then, ito na yung sa mga tables, may mga balloons na siya. So, okay na rin, no? And dito na yung sa mga food section. So, medyo ready na rin. Ilagay na lang pagkain bukas. And dito yung sa cake section and the mga cookies, giveaways. So, dito sila. So, yan, may ano na, may mga decorations na, guys. So, bukas, kukunan pa rin natin ito bukas, no? So, yan. Okay na. So far, medyo okay na siya. So, ito yung senior dito. Yan. So, enjoy tayo bukas dito, guys, sa 18th birthday ni Sachi at si Natalie. Yan. So, kita-kita tayo bukas. So, dito na. I-end ko na dito yung vlog ngayong gabi. So, continue na natin bukas. Ang galang na all.
Palagay na natin ang I got something in my eye. Natalie, Papa, I got something in my eye. That's better. That's better for you. Sana all my
Kaway-kaway dyan. Labas ko sa YouTube. These are the guys over here.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? And the two.
Hi.
Okay kayo, this will be in YouTube. Maya.
Huh?
What?
Huh?
Ay, nakita na din ako kasi kanina, wala ko na nakita ba?
Kaon na.
Without exemption.
Biggest call? Call?
You wanna sing?
Asan yung mic?
dalawa, tatlo, apat. Mabes. Oh, Mabes! Where's the mom?
Upstairs.
Is coming?
Want to eat now?
Let's give them a big round of applause. Okay. Siguro kailangan natin ng upuan dito. Dalawa. Okay, para introduce natin. 2 chairs. Our gentlemen, can you bring in 2 chairs? Lagyan natin dito ang ating dalawang prinsesa. Yay! Okay. So, ang isa nag-birthday ng February 1. Okay? And the other nag-birthday ng March 1. Okay? Dito. Wow! Wala ba music? Oo. Okay, yun na. Upo ka dito na. Yan, now. Wow! And Sachi! Yeah! Wow! May dalawa tayong Disney princesses dito sa harap ngayon, no? Of course, yeah, I'd like to thank the friends, no? For coming over, no, on behalf of the parents and my pamangkins, no? I'd like to thank everybody, no? The friends of the parents, my brothers and sisters, my in-laws, okay? And their friends and families, no? Thank you so much this afternoon for gathering and celebrating this wonderful day of Sachi and Natnat, okay? Siyempre, kailangan natin na yay! Dito ka sa and the dad at the mom of Natnat. Please welcome my younger sister also, Chuki. Okay, bigay na natin. Mami, bigay mo na yung flower para kay...
I'm not prepared. To not. Love is and prayer is all I wish for you for every journey you go in your life. Nangyambit na ka.
Pwede Tagalog.
Laban Japan lang natin. Because you're here in Japan. Trust your journey and God may always be with you. Mama and Papa is always present. Happy birthday.
Siyempre, si Ma'am din ni Sachi. Okay, message mo kay Sachi.
Hello everyone. Thank you for coming. And Sachi, thank you for being a kind daughter and very loving. And your dad and your 2 siblings are always here for you to support your dreams. And remember, and we love you and always take care of yourself. That's all. Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday to Kasi. Ako naman. Happy birthday to Kasi. Ako naman naiiyak din. Okay. So, for ladies, this is going to be a start of your journey. Now, the book, kaya sinasabi natin, the book, na you are now becoming an adult. Okay? That's where you build your dreams, your aspirations. Siyempre, you always have to go back to your family for advice and guidance. Okay? Hindi porket nag-18 na tayo, we have total independence. No. We're independent, but we still need the guidance of our parents, our siblings, and our friends. Okay? So to both of you, wishing you the best of everything for the coming years, and for your study, for your health, and your family and friends. Happy, happy birthday. Okay? Siyempre, hindi tayo ng message from our...
Huwag ka magtalikod. Yan, ganyan. Remove your mask. Remove your mask.
I knew you too when I was very little. When I met you for the first time in the Philippines, I didn't know who you were at all. But now as time passes, I'm so glad to spend my years with you too. Ate Sachi, you are very funny and smart. You helped me a lot when I had trouble with school, and you know how to make everyone smile. Ate Natalie, you know how to get along with people as well as being very social. You always have interesting things to say, and you're always open for anything fun. Please keep your positive ways as always. Please keep your positive ways always. Congratulations on getting out of your teenage shells. I hope this gives. I hope this will be a core memory with you till the end. Thank you both for letting me be a part of your life, and I wish you well on your guys' journey to adulthood.
Okay, happy birthday.
Picture tayo with Pink.
Ito ba?
カメラもリムサーチリムサーチは中3から知ってるんですけど、すごく暗くてずっと敬語でずっとありがとうございましたとかずっと敬語でよくわかんない人だったんだけど、今18歳になってるリムサーチはすごく明るい女の子になって女性になって、今後1年仕事頑張ってください。で、ナタリー誕生日おめでとう。ナタリーはあまり知らないけど、まあこれから高校ちゃんと高3まで頑張ってるので以上です。以上、誕生日です。
はい。
はい。男の友達。
Pwede Japanese, pwede Tagalog.
Rim Sachi, Natalie, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Wala naman ako sasabihin masyado kung hindi yun. For you, Sachi, since graduated ka na, good luck with your life after high school. And Nat, good luck with the rest of high school. And enjoy mo yung high school kahit minsan mahirap.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay. Siyempre sa sibling, kukunan natin ng message si Kuya.
Yan.
Okay. Ang Kuya Lance. Of course.
Kahit ano. Pwede ano, pwede ano.
Hello?
Harap ka dito, Lance.
Hello?
Yan, sige.
Dapat lang mo karami.
Sige. Ganyan, pulit-pulit.
To my two little sister and cousins. I have known both of you since all my life, basically. I mean a little bit, not for you, Matt, because we met partly. My message to you today is that whatever challenges you face from here on out, I hope that in success or in failure, you face them with everything you have. Because in the end, only you yourself will know that you've given it your all. And for one, you have an advantage because I have partly waded through my young adult life, and I can play the fool in which I have made the mistakes. So I want you to be the wise man, to ask the fool to not repeat the same. That is all. Thank you. And happy birthdays.
Yay!
Hindi tayo. From the friends, who wants to say something from the friends? From the ladies. Okay? Wow, okay. Hindi tayo. From the friends, who wants to say something from the friends? From the ladies. Okay? Wow, okay.
Happy birthday, Nat and Sachi. Wait, I'm gonna open.
May tubigo.
Okay, first, kay Sachi muna tayo. Welcome to the galaxy. I've never met anyone as dyslexic as you. I'm very proud of you for making it this far. Kidding aside, I'm very grateful to for having a friend like you. Thank you for being my day one. Thank you for going through thick and thin with me. I'm very proud of all of your achievements, big or small, even though you don't really give yourself enough credit for it. I'll always be here to support you no matter what. We've been through a lot of stuff already, and I'm so grateful that we still speak today. I hope you live the life you've always dreamed of, and of course, I'll be supporting you every inch of the way. So here's some more concerts, chismisas, and birthdays to come. Happy birthday! And as for you, Natalie, thank you for being such a solid friend. And I hope you pursue your dreams and good luck in life. Happy birthday!
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations for your guys' birthday. I hope you guys have a great life as an adult and stay happy always. Love you guys.
Thank you very much. And today, yes, it's his birthday today. We're gonna celebrate here, okay? We're gonna celebrate here the birthday of Travis, okay? Now, let's sing happy birthday.
Doon kayo sa cake.
May karaoke ba tayo ng happy birthday so that we can sing